But damn, Corvette, I don't think that's supposed to been doing that. The f. Well, howdy, blessed friends. How are y'all doing today? You're dealing with another video with your boy Billy Clint, who's in the dog. I saw you and him. That ain't the right stuff. And that ain't the right stuff. It just stand dark. Look how black I am, like a darn shadow. Well, you're with your boy Billy Clint. And I'ma holler back at y'all in 1 sec once I get set up, because I just got here and it's almost 6 o'clock. Figured it out. I'm such a klutz. I gotta do something to put a smile on my face. So with that being said, we're gonna do the most visible. By all means, let's see if it'll be the last time it feel like that. Yeah, I know my head feel like it's off my head, off my brain, and it hurts so bad. Having migraines lately. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm supposed to take this off. Guess I never thought about vacuuming these things out, huh? It's good to know that they ate healthy with Splenda. It sucks I ain't got the vacuum here. Cause this looks nasty. Now, question is, which bracket is which bracket? And I think it mattered because of that. I don't think they came with the directions though. Braces aren't very strong. It don't tell you front, back, left, or right. Well, I guess eBay be on a rah-rah. Didn't send me all the darn hardware. It figures. So let's see. Look good in there, huh? Oh, that would look good. I don't think the mountain brackets work. That really sucks. That really sucks. So I'm gonna have to. This is stupid. Is there any way I can Psycho Bob out of this one to that one? Nope, I don't see none. I mean, it's stupid too. Like, I really want to unrivet these and say, forget them braces. I really should. But then I couldn't use these no more. Got me all looking good and stuff. I'm tired of wasting time, y'all. I ain't got that much of it left. Well, I guess what I'll do is I'll screw the other seat together. I'll go on to YouTube and figure out how the heck they freaking go, because I'm just starting to get a headache again. Alright, I'll find something constructive else to do. I'll get back with y'all in a sec. I hate having to use a darn generator. This is what I got though. Just saying. Hit that button. Holla at your boy. I'm out this time. It's hot. How did I go in the sun and it get dark? Weird. Well, we're gonna bring it down a notch. I'm hot. And I'm hot from just standing here looking on my phone, trying to look up something. And I started sweating. Yeah, stay hydrated. Berry Lemonade, Sunkiss, I guess I gave you a shout out, but I guess it don't matter. I ain't got nobody watching anyway. But as y'all see, it's another day. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna take y'all over here to come see a Mike the Situation Jersey Shore joint. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. But I went looking on plenty of other Corvette channels. Yeah, I forgot to vacuum, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But if y'all can see, I got a box right here. And this right here, stopping me from achieving greatness. as you can see. It's laying on top of the box. But you can see a darn acorn or whatever the heck is under that. So what do? I went on everybody's channel I seen putting seats in, and I ain't seen nobody with that. So I don't know what that is. Besides, it's a U-bill, and you know I gotta make it hard for you. So if he gonna make it hard for me, we gonna see. Because what I found is if I go through there, I'ma unbutton it. How about that? Y'all see it? So let me unbutton it because I need both my hands, so I'm gonna get back. Now put in the comments below if y'all know what this belongs to, because I have no idea. I don't know if it's the seat belt or what. But I probably do got some modules I need to hook up. But I don't know. It got some type of air duct right there that I seen. See it? I don't know. But what I do know is I'm sweating like a mofo. Look at this. Sweat running all down my face. We up north, I thought it was polar bears. Why am I sweating? And anybody know me, you know that I can lay in the bed on an 80-degree day with the heat on blast and be fine. Why I'm sweating, I don't know. Maybe all my sins are starting to sweat out of me. But see how this fit now. Cause this is the passenger side, which freaking sucks. But okay. So now we got it to fit. Got it to fit there. Push down on that. I just hope it ain't cut on those nuts. Alright, well, round two to this pig. Wow, y'all, I'm sweating gourds. I'm gonna take a break. So I did drill it out 14 and 3/8 inches apart. I'd have loved to went in the middle and just did all four, but I guess I put it more on one side, and we gonna see, because I bet I messed up. But we about to see. I can't carry the camera and the chair at the same time, so y'all know what it is. I watched 2 videos last night with broke seats, And then here it go me with a broke seat. I'm confused. I'm confused. I need to know. These fucking Corvette seats even better than these damn eBay seats. If I'm seeing everybody breaking their seats, I thought the factory was supposed to last. I want to last. I can't last if the seat breaking, and if I see it's breaking on everybody, it ain't a oops, I fucked up something. You Chevy. GM. What's understood don't need to be explained, right? Ooh, just swept it out in there. Look good. Considering I ain't had no freaking vacuum. Alright, so let's go put this seat together. What all we need, folks? We gonna need a ratchet. Socket. I don't want to tighten them with the ratchet. I mean with the cordless. It makes me a little nervous. We ain't even gonna rock like that. Y'all feel me? When I went to school, they didn't even let us use cordless ratchets. And we complained, but I understood. But also, one thing that I didn't realize is that motherfuckers that go to school for cars don't know about cars. I thought everybody knew something about cars. I found out they didn't. Dang, I'm dark. And with that being said, my battery's dead. Good night. I don't know how the thing's gonna die. It was gonna die, but it's about to die again. I don't know. Back 2-4, but I'm gonna let y'all check it out though. Y'all gotta admit, I think I got the hardest C5 with the seats in the world. Like, oh my God, these seats just go so freaking good with this car. It got me about to cry. Y'all gotta admit, look at that. Then look at them bang bangs in the back, waiting to get put on. Ooh, this mug is coming together. You got the grill with the front splitter, with the side skirts, the LED lights, the tinted lights, the wing, the MagnaFlow. Oh my. But them seats look so good in there. Look at them seats. Y'all got it. Look at them seats.